A very good morning, my lovely kids. Dear students, I welcome you again for the next term, and I hope so that you all are super duper excited for your next term. In the first term, you did very good job. Many of the students they got good marks because they were doing hard work at their home, and few students they are left. So I request to those students, please work hard, because in the next term and the coming term it is our motive that we all will get good marks. I welcome you. I pray to God that your life fulfill with happiness and with joy, and in the coming days you all will learn something new, something different. So my dear students, in this class, it is our English class, and I hope so that you all are enjoying, and we are trying to give your online classes so that teacher and the students they can have live interaction. So I hope that you all are ready for the next term, and in this class we will do formal letter. As we discussed earlier also, there are two types of letters. That first one is informal and the second one is formal. Informal letter that we have already done. So formal letter in this class we will do. So first of all, what is formal letter? Formal letter is written to your principal, to headmaster, or any other official person. Just look at this picture, and one more picture I am going to show you, this one. So I just want to know from your side, after seeing this picture, what you can observe. What are you observing? The first picture is this, and the second picture is this. In this picture you can see a cartoon is there and the thermometer is there, and in this picture there is a boy, he is lying on his bed and thermometer in his mouth. So with the help of these two pictures we can understand that we are talking about fever. This boy, he is not ill. So let's come to the topic. Formal letter. The formal letter that we are going to write, that is a letter for sick leave. And to whom we will write? We will write this letter to principal of your school. Sick leave. So let's start. So first of all, when we will start writing, the first, to whom we are writing this letter, we will write about that. Like this letter I am going to write to the principal of our school. So firstly we will write the principal. And remember dear children, spelling of principal is PRINCIPAL. This is the spelling of principal. When you will do practice and when you will write, most of the student uh, they are not able to write and they write this PRINCIPLE. That is wrong. The word that is correct, but for this letter that word is not okay. So after this we will write the name of the school. So the name of our school is Saint Kabir Public School. Then we will write the city or the district where the school is. Here we will write Karnal. Next, that is date. On which date we are writing this letter? We will write that. For example, if you are writing that on 4th, on 5th, so you will write the same date. Then subject means why we are writing this letter. What is the reason? What is the subject for this letter? So this letter that is about sick leave. So we will write application for sick leave. Next is salutation. About salutation we have already discussed. When we give respect to someone, for example, if the principal is the male member, then we will write dear sir, but when that is female, so we will write ma'am. And after that, body of the letter means why we are writing this letter, what is the reason, so everything we will include in body. And the last, that is closing. Means when we will close this letter, there we will write yours obediently, or you can write your sincerely, and after that your name, your class. So let's see, after writing the letter, how our letter will look like. Yes, here is our letter. It will look like this. Same, the principal, Saint Kabir Public School, then Karnal, date October 5, 2020, subject application for sick leave, respected ma'am. Then the body is, I want to state that I am a student of class 2nd in your school. I am suffering from fever, so I cannot come to school today. Please grant me leave for 1 day. Thank you. Then closing, yours obediently. Name, here you will write your name, and then class. So dear students, only this much for today. You will write this letter in your English notebook in a neat and clean handwriting. Okay? Always remember, whenever you are doing your work, your writing, that should be neat and clean, so that whenever your teacher will check your work, she will be happy and she will appreciate you. Okay? Bye bye, my dear students. Have a nice day.